Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live deep trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture all my trades live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to put in the long hours for making these videos. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Triple Q and SPY gapping down pre-market. They're gapping down because we have news around the 10-year yield hitting 2%, which obviously would affect the markets badly. Because of that, I'm expecting the markets to be red today. As you could see here, tech stocks like Amazon, Nvidia, and Tesla all are gapping down. I'll not be interested to jump in at market open because of 2 consecutive red days. My goal for today would be to stay green and gain some confidence back. Going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, Tesla, and Netflix. We have around 7 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. So Tesla hitting resistance around this area, 917. But I'm not interested unless it breaks the pre-market low of 905. If it breaks the current low, it gives me confirmation that it's going to continue down. But right now, stocks are trying to rebound. So no setups as of yet. Tesla staying strong. Triple Q making a move, so the markets are definitely staying strong. I'll not be looking to short and I'll not be looking to go long because the markets are red on the day, and for me to get interested in puts, I need the stocks to break the current low. Only then I'll be interested. So right now, no setups, sitting on the sidelines. I'll keep waiting. Tesla and all the stocks have reversed. No trades for me yet. Even with a bad news, not sure why the markets are heading in the opposite direction. Think of all those traders who have shorted based off the news. They would now be deep in the red if they have not managed their risk properly. For me, no trades. 33 minutes into market open, no trades as of yet. I'm finding it really difficult to understand this price action. We had news out around inflation and bond yields, and still the markets are heading higher with relatively low volume. Tesla in the first 30 minutes normally trades with far more volume than today, but not trusting this move, and I can't deny the fact that since open, Tesla was strong. Not just Tesla, Amazon was strong and Nvidia was strong. So clearly when you don't have any idea, it's better to stay away, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Probably I'll watch for another 20 minutes, and if I don't have any setups, I think I'll call it a day. So looking at the chart, when the news hit the market and when the sell-off happened, it did on very low volume. Only 41,000 of Tesla shares traded on that specific candle, which could be weak hands selling. And Tesla and other tech stocks at market open, they completely reversed. So all those who have shorted anticipating a further breakdown would now probably be deep red in the money. I waited for confirmation. I wanted Tesla to break the current low of 905 and continue lower, but it never happened, so no trades. I don't think I'll be looking to trade Tesla to the call side today. Even if it breaks the pre-market high, it would be trading very close to yesterday's close. So I'll not have any levels on Tesla. Tesla just broke the pre-market high, but not interested on it yet. So maybe if Tesla actually opens up more, about 944, 950, I may get interested. But as of now, it looks very sketchy. Best thing I could do is to stay away. I don't want to be red for 3 consecutive days. Today my goal was to actually come to the market, get one green trade and call it a day. But looks like I may have to wait longer to get a green day. Tesla failed around 943 area Yesterday also we did have resistance around 943. It's failing to break that resistance. If Tesla had broke that resistance and opened up, then it had some range, but now looks like it has reversed. Almost 1.5 hours into the day, no trades, and I think I'll walk away. Overall, the markets were really slow today, and personally, I've not taken any trades for the day. I think as a day trader, it is very important to know when you should be walking away. You should focus on trading the setups rather than fighting the markets. So that's it from me for today. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.